Hello, my name is Gaur and I am from Dr. Hari Singh Gaur Vishwavidyalaya, which is a central university in Madhya Pradesh. So I have chosen the theme Free Legal Aid Challenges and Solution. So as we all know, the provision for free legal aid has been made in section 39A of the Constitution of India, which was inserted by 42nd Amendment, and thereafter National Legal Services Authorities Act was also enacted in the year 1987. But there are many difficulties in getting the free legal aid. Nowadays, the poor thinks the law to be his enemy. He does not consider the law to be his friend. This is because he is not able to seek justice properly and in a proper time and in a cost effective manner. So if we are talking about free legal aid. So there are many uh, deficiencies in free legal aid. Free legal aid, of course, sometimes it is not provided in time. For example, in case of domestic violence, some victims, some women victim, they are not able to find uh, the free legal aid at the proper time. So they have to go here and there because they don't know where to go, where to approach, which authority to approach. And if they approach the correct authority to get the free legal aid, they do not get the legal aid completely. I have heard about many cases in which the lawyers appointed by the government have left the case and another lawyer is appointed. So this leads to a miscarriage of justice, because if you are appointing one of the lawyers, then he will plead for some time, and after that, if he is removed, then the new lawyer which will come, he will not be that much acquainted with the facts of the case. He will not be acquainted with the proceedings. So I think this is a major challenge the free legal aid is facing in today's time. And if we talk about the legal aid, the Legal Services Authorities Act, then in that case also provision has been made only to provide free legal aid to the persons from scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, to women, children, and to persons who are victim of trafficking, or to disabled persons. There is no any provision for providing free legal aid to poor. I think this is where we are lacking. I think this act should be amended to provide free legal aid to the poor also. So one of the other challenge which we face with regard to the free legal aid is that in case of free legal aid, the lawyers appointed by the government are not competent and they are not willing to work. I have read about many cases in which the lawyers didn't perform their work effectively. So there is a conception among people that the government lawyers are not good. So this is the major reason why. That's why the poor people also, they do not opt for the free legal aid. Even they do not have money, they are poor, but yet they opt for the paid legal services, because there is a conception in the minds of the people. So I think this is also one of the challenges which we are facing in imparting free legal aid in our country. So I think the solution to this problem could be there should be mass training of the lawyers which are provided in free legal aid. They should be taught everything, and they should not be the newcomers. They should be very experienced lawyers which should be appointed by the government, and their pays should also be increased, their wages should also be increased. So I think this is also one of the major problem that that the free legal aid doesn't get success, because the wages or the salaries which these lawyers are paid, they are very minimal, they are very less. So they do not show interest. The lawyers which are appointed by the government for the purpose of imparting the free legal aid, they do not work properly. So I think this is one of the main impediments for the failure of the free legal aid system in our country. And if we talk about the other thing uh, regarding the free legal aid, I think the government and the judiciary, the judges, they should think about the condition of the free legal aid in the country, because they are the responsible person for this, and they should create mass awareness regarding the free legal aid, so that everyone could have access to free legal aid. Many persons, many poor people are not even able to get access to legal aid, to free legal aid. So awareness should be created by the means of the television, by the means of print media, by the means of radio. So this is one of the solution through which we can promote free legal aid. So thank you.